Welcome to Beyond the Shine, CSI's video newsletter. I am your host, Brighton the Lustre Bear. In this issue we will introduce chemical application. Do you know how to select the right equipment to optimize profit and customer experience? What is the power of a car wash menu? Packaging multiple services to provide a great value proposition to ensure customers are getting their money's worth. Happy Thanksgiving. A couple friendly reminders for the upcoming holidays. If you took a moment and asked the customer what he or she wants, or expects in a car wash, you may be surprised by the answer. Clean, shiny, or dry, are usually just the basics. The overall experience and lasting after effects is what matters the most and differentiates your car wash from the competition. Click the icon below to learn how to develop a game plan for creating the ultimate customer experience. Given that competition is at an all-time high, and consumers are more educated, are you making sure your car wash's offering is still relevant? The cheapest option isn't the winning recipe, rather it is more often than not, the best wash package for the best price. Does your menu clearly identify for the customer which package is the best value? Click on the icon below to read more about how an effective menu can help upsell customers to top-tier wash packages and have them returning for more. Since seasonal winter weather is already here, to assure that shipments are handled appropriately and with timely delivery service, we want to remind you of important winter shipping information. Click the icon below for our winter shipping procedures and holiday hours to prepare appropriately for upcoming orders. In the spirit of the season, CSI would like to thank all of you for your patronage and wish all of you and your families a safe and enjoyable Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching this issue of Beyond the Shine. Until next time, remember Lustre products guarantee a quality car wash with a lasting shine. And always, give your car a hug. Happy Thanksgiving.